Introducing the Nutraplanet News with Jasmine and Bradley.
Did you know there's a fruit out there that's been lying to you your entire life? For thousands of years, this ruby red fruit has fooled everyone, from ancient Romans to modern scientists. Imagine discovering that something you've eaten your whole life isn't what you thought it was at all. In the next 15 minutes, you'll uncover the shocking truth that will change how you see this fruit forever. And that's just the beginning. What if I told you that a single scientific accident in a French garden 250 years ago created the strawberries we eat today? Or that farmers in Japan grow white strawberries that sell for $10 each? And a kitchen hack that professional chefs use to keep strawberries fresh for 2 full weeks. Prepare to have your mind blown about the mysterious fruit that's been hiding its secrets right on your breakfast table. The truth about strawberries is stranger than fiction. Okay, now for the truth bomb. Strawberries aren't actually berries at all. I know, right? Pretty shocking when you think about how long we've been calling them strawberries. Here's the deal. True berries like blueberries, grapes, and even tomatoes all grow from flowers with just one seed-producing part inside. When you bite into a blueberry, you're eating one fruit that grew from one flower. But strawberries, they break all the rules. Each strawberry actually develops from a flower with multiple seed-producing parts. That's why botanists call them aggregate accessory fruits instead of berries. Let me blow your mind even more. You know those tiny yellow specks on the outside that we all think are seeds? They're not seeds at all. Each one is actually a separate tiny fruit called an achene, and each contains one seed inside. The red juicy part we love to eat is just the flower base that grew big and sweet. Why would a plant do this? It's actually a brilliant survival strategy. The bright red flesh attracts animals who eat the strawberry and later spread the seeds through their droppings, helping new strawberry plants grow miles away from their parent plants. So next time you eat a strawberry, remember, you're actually eating about 200 tiny fruits all at once. No other fruit in your kitchen has this weird inside-out design with seeds on the outside. And here's something else that might surprise you. The strawberries we eat today look nothing like their wild ancestors. If you could travel back in time 1,000 years and pick a wild strawberry, it would be tiny, about the size of your fingernail. These wild strawberries still grow in forests around the world today. They're super flavorful, but incredibly small. But wait, if wild strawberries are so tiny, how did they transform into the big, juicy fruits we buy today? That's where things get even more interesting.
The strawberries we enjoy today exist because of an amazing scientific accident. Before the 1700s, wild strawberries were tiny, about the size of your fingernail. In 1764, a French plant scientist named Antoine Duchesne accidentally mixed pollen between North American and Chilean strawberry varieties. This accident created what would eventually become our modern strawberries, bigger, juicier, and perfect for eating. Today, farmers around the world grow more than 9 million tons of strawberries every year. From America's fertile valleys to Japan's precision agriculture, these ruby gems connect people across the planet. Strawberries have evolved uniquely across different regions of the world. In California, the Albion variety reigns supreme with its perfect balance of sweetness and firmness, making it ideal for shipping nationwide. The Pacific Northwest celebrates the hood strawberry, a smaller variety with intensely sweet flavor that locals wait all year to enjoy during its brief season. Europe's wild alpine strawberries grow hidden in mountain forests, offering tiny bursts of concentrated flavor unlike any commercial variety. The strawberry journey doesn't end there. In Japan, horticulturists have created the stunning Shiroi Hauski, or white jewel strawberry. These alabaster berries grow in carefully controlled environments with reduced sunlight, developing their signature pale color and exceptional sweetness. At up to $10 per berry, they're considered luxury gifts. But regardless of where they're grown or their color, all strawberries provide remarkable health benefits that we'll explore next. Let's bust a big myth right now. Even though strawberries taste super sweet, they're actually low in sugar compared to many other fruits. A whole cup of strawberries has only about 7 grams of sugar. But what they lack in sugar, they make up for in incredible nutrients. That same cup of strawberries gives you more vitamin C than an orange. That's 149% of what you need in a day. Vitamin C helps you fight off sickness and keeps your skin healthy. Strawberries are also bursting with special plant compounds called anthocyanins. That's what gives them their vibrant red color. Scientists are discovering these compounds might help reduce inflammation and protect your brain and heart. Plus, they're full of fiber that helps keep your digestion running smoothly. Pretty amazing for a fruit that's 91% water.
Now that you know how awesome strawberries are, let's make sure you're getting the best ones and keeping them fresh. When picking strawberries, look for ones that are bright red all over with no white or green patches. They should be shiny, firm, and have fresh green caps. And here's a pro tip. The sweetest strawberries have the strongest smell. If they don't smell like anything, they probably won't taste like much either. Remember that myth about never washing strawberries until right before eating? Turns out science has a better way. Mixing 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water and giving your strawberries a quick bath kills mold and bacteria on the surface. Just make sure to dry them completely afterward, and they'll last up to 2 weeks instead of just a few days. Here's a fun experiment you can try at home. Take 2 containers of strawberries. Wash 1 batch in the vinegar solution and leave the other unwashed. Keep them in the refrigerator and check every few days to see which stays fresh longer. Strawberries aren't just for eating plain, though that's delicious too. Let's explore some awesome ways to enjoy them. Classic combos include dipping them in yogurt or chocolate, blending them into smoothies, or slicing them onto your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. But why not try something different? Strawberry salsa with cucumber and mint makes an amazing topping for grilled chicken or fish. Or try adding sliced strawberries to a salad with spinach, feta cheese, and a balsamic dressing for a flavor explosion. For a cool summer treat, blend strawberries with a little lemon juice, freeze the mix in ice pop molds, and enjoy homemade strawberry popsicles.
All these delicious strawberry recipes might have you wondering, could you grow these ruby gems right at home? The answer is yes. Growing strawberries can be incredibly rewarding and easier than you might think. Strawberries are surprisingly versatile garden plants. You can grow them in traditional garden beds, raised planters, hanging baskets, or even recycled containers on a sunny windowsill. All they need is good drainage, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. If you're just starting out, try strawberry varieties like Ozark Beauty or Seascape, which are known for being beginner-friendly. You can purchase small strawberry plants at garden centers in spring, or even grow them from the tops of strawberries you've eaten. Just cut off the top with about ½ an inch of the berry attached, let it dry for a day, and plant it in soil. One of the most magical things about growing strawberries is watching their life cycle unfold. From the delicate white flowers to the tiny green berries that slowly swell and turn red. It's like having a science lesson right on your porch or windowsill. Plus, nothing compares to the flavor of a sun-warmed strawberry picked and eaten moments later. Growing strawberries at home also connects you to all the farmers throughout history who have cultivated these beloved fruits. Whether you're tending to a single plant or a whole patch, you're participating in an agricultural tradition that spans continents and centuries.
From their unique plant biology to their journey across continents, and now perhaps to your own garden. Our strawberry adventure today illustrates perfectly why we at Nutraplanet News are passionate about exploring the foods we eat. Even something as familiar as a strawberry reveals extraordinary depth when we examine its history, science, and cultural significance. I hope you're inspired to experience strawberries with new appreciation, whether tasting their sweet perfection, creating culinary masterpieces, or witnessing their growth cycle in your own garden. The more we understand our food, the more meaningful our relationship with it becomes. I'm Jasmine, thanking you for joining us on Nutraplanet News, where we celebrate the remarkable stories behind everyday nutrition. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep discovering the wonders on your plate.
In the rhythm of healing, Nature's got what you need. Ooh. Vitamin C revealing how to keep your body free. So free, so free. Citrus in the morning light. Bell peppers making everything right. So right. Let your root